What's going on, Conde crew? Rodeo Bo here, and today we're going to learn how to press the new pickleball paddles like a pro. Let's go! Alright, first things first, you're going to need a 1/2-inch Nomex felt pad, which you are going to end up folding over just like that. Then you're going to want to get your premium gold heat tape. You're going to need some scissors to do some cutting, and you are going to need the pickleball paddle. That product number is VHG25. This was all printed on the Epson SureColor F570 Professional 24-inch desktop sublimation printer. Go ahead, check out Conde.com and see what kind of packages they've got going on right now and what sort of deals you can find. After printing, I had to separate my images and decide if I wanted to go with the black or the no black background first. Going with the transparent background, and we're gonna just dry our print. I got a few inches between my heat press and the lower platen. Then we have to pre-press our paddle. We're going to go ahead and put that Nomex on the side, fold it over just like that, and go ahead and pre-press for a minute. After the pre-press, you're going to go ahead and attach your transfer to your pickleball paddle using your premium gold heat tape. Here we go. We're just going to go ahead and tape on one side and then the other, like so. Put your Nomex folded again on your side. You're going to put your pickleball paddle down, and you're going to notice that your handle is hanging off the heat press. You're not going to want to have that in your press. Then go ahead and place your protective paper on top and press for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure on Conde.com. After pressing, go ahead, remove your cover paper and transfer paper. And look at how amazing these results are. Look at the colors in this. I really do love the colors in this. These colors look absolutely amazing. Look at that blue there. That is great. And the pink. You're going to want to pre-press again for 1 minute, and then you're going to attach your transfer. Make sure that you are attaching your transfer to the unsublimated side. Just go ahead, add some heat tape on there, just like so. Place in and press again for the 2 minutes, 360 degrees, making sure your handle is hanging off the edge. Oh, don't forget that cover paper. We're almost there. We're going to just go ahead, remove our cover paper and our transfer paper, and look at those results. And just like that, you get a professionally personalized pickleball paddle. For product information, give Conde a call at 1-800-826-6332, email them at salesteam@conde.com, or check out Conde.com. Make sure you stay up to date with all things Conde. Like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and hit all of those notification bells so you know when Conde's getting new products. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you again.